Today we are back at Bramley-moore Dock to give you a little update on how the new Everton Stadium build is coming along. Before we begin, I'd just like to thank each and every one of you. The channel's just hit 2,000 subscribers, so thank you very much for that. If you do like this sort of video content, you can subscribe to our channel using the subscription button below. What we are going to try and do here is we're going to try and get a little sneaky look through the gate from this side. This fella looks fuming here. Fuming. Looks could kill. Right. Okay. So there's a lot more brickwork, as you'll see in the drone footage we've just captured. Work going on up there. And we will go into all the details of it. The live stream that we do that I do on a weekly basis, that is coming up Sunday at 10 AM. I'll have to get up. Right, we're going to get into this video. Don't forget, if you do like this sort of content, subscribe, share, leave us a comment in the section below, and we will get back to you. I will get back to you as soon as we possibly can. Take care, we'll see you soon. There it is. Hello and welcome to another update of the Bramley-moore Dock Everton New Stadium build. This week we've decided to leave it quite visual and some music to this. And don't forget to catch our live stream every Sunday at 10 AM from Bramley-moore Dock, where we try and get your questions and any concerns answered live on the live stream. Check it out this and every Sunday at 10 AM.